Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Ranjana Gupta from RG Makeovers. Today I'm gonna show you dual eyeshadow makeup looks. I hope you will like this makeup look, and I will mention all the products in the description box that I am going to use in this video. So I have done a pink eyeshadow makeup look with a little bit of black at the outer corners because it goes well with the outfit which I am wearing. It's white palazzo suit with the pink and golden embroidery on it. So according to the outfit I have done this makeup look, and I'm going to start the video now. I have done with my CTMP. If you don't know CTM, you can check my video about CTM in the I button given above, and from there you can see how we can do CTM. And later after that I have done primer, so it's called CTMP. This is a makeup base which I am going to apply on my eye area before applying eyeshadow, and I will define the eyebrows line as well while applying the base on the eye area. I have done filling with my eyebrows as well before. I forgot to film it. I will make a separate video on this for my viewers. Now I am just applying the base above the eyebrows and on the eye area to define the shape, and I will blend it well so that it doesn't gives any fine lines later on. I will repeat it on the other eye as well. Now I am applying the setting powder of Kryolan to set this. I will mention the products in the description box. Now I am going to use the eyeshadow palette of Hilary Huda. I am going to apply pink eyeshadow from it under the crease area. I will blend it well so that it gives a even look. Now I'm going to add a purple color on my crease area. And now this is the black color which I'm going to apply on the outer corners of the eyes. This is a golden color from this eyeshadow palette. I will mention it is a beauty glazed eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to apply a golden color on the inner corners of eyes. I'm using the finger here. You can apply it with the brush as well. I will repeat the same makeup look on the other eye as well. So this is a makeup remover. I'm taking a Q-tip with it. I will dip the Q-tip in makeup remover, and I will remove the excess of the eyeshadow and define the line for applying the eyeliner. Now this is a Swiss Beauty serum which I am going to applying on my face, and I will now going to use the Derma palette of Kryolan. This is an orange color corrector which I am going to use under my eye area and around my lips. I'll blend it very well. Blending, blending, blending. Now I'm going to applying the I have done with the corrector. Now I'm applying the concealer above it under the eye and the around the lips where I have applied the corrector. I'm applying the concealer over it now and blending it well. It's done. Now I'm going to apply the setting powder of Kryolan again to set this out for, so that it will not get mixed with the base and set at its place. This is the base for Kryolan again. I have taken that in on my spatula plate, and this is my base brush. It's again from Kryolan. I'm going to apply the base on my face using this brush. I don't like using sponge. If you have sponge, you can apply the base using the sponge as well. So I don't like using sponge, so I always use this brush to apply base on my face. And this is an amazing brush. You can get it from the Kryolan store. I will apply the base on my neck area as well, so that it gives an even look on face and neck area. I will apply it on the lips as well, so that it gives the correct shade of lipstick, which I am going to apply later on. Now I am applying the mascara on my eyelashes. After that, I am going to apply the eyelash curler to give a shape to lashes, to lift it up. This is the eyelash curler, and this is how we use it. This is a lip liner from Color Bar. I will mention it in the description box. It is a pink color lip liner. I will define the lip line with it, and then I will fill the lips with it as well before applying lipstick. This is a PAC Pro Lipstick Palette. It's an amazing palette with lots of colors and lots of very nice colors. You can apply these colors directly, and if you want to make a different color, you can mix these colors as well to get the color of your own choice. I'll show you the colors available in this palette. These are the amazing colors. I'm going to use that pink color which I have shown. So this is my lip brush. First of all, I will define the lip line with this lipstick using the lip brush. Then I will fill the lips with this lip color. It's done now. This is a tint gloss to give shine to the lipstick. So I'm going to apply gloss over this lipstick, so that it gives some shine to the lips. Yeah, it's looking awesome now. This is a Huda Beauty highlighter palette, which is one of my favorite. I use it most of the time. I apply the highlighter on the highlighter bone and over the nose area, between the eyebrows and the eyebrows as well, and then blend it very well so that it doesn't give any fine lines. This is the eyelashes which I am going to use. These are the awesome eyelashes, and this is PAC eyelash glue. I'm going to apply it on the eyelashes. These eyelashes are really awesome, and you get a different completely different look after applying these eyelashes. I will mention these lashes in the description box as well. If you want to buy it, you can go and buy through that link. It is not available online, but you can buy it through that link only. So this is the final look which I have created. I have changed my clothes. So this is a white palazzo suit with pink and magenta dupatta, and I am wearing the silver earrings and silver bangle set, silver watch, and so this is the final look which I have created. If you like this palazzo set, you can also buy it. I will mention the link in the description box. You can buy it through that link only. So this is the final look which I have created. I hope you like this look and enjoyed the video. If you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it to your friends and family, and do comment in the comment box that how you like the video, and if you want to know anything about the products, and if you want to mention something to me, please do comment. Please do like, share and subscribe. One like, one subscribe, friends, gives me motivation to create more videos, and gives me happiness, and it means a lot to me if you like and subscribe and if you comment. So that's all for today. Now meet you on my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.